Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change subtitle language on Netflix application on an Android device. Okay, if you are unsure about how to change the subtitle language on Netflix, and then you can watch this video till the end. Okay, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. And then here you can select your profile. After that, here you can select any movie you want to play. Well, and then in this section, you can select audio and subtitle menu. Okay, after that, here you can select any language you want to apply to the movie. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change subtitle language on Netflix application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.